Totally missed the step, fell off it. There you go. It's like this bit goes slow, and then when it gets back onto the main track, it's away. We're connected.
I think I'll wait till.
Yeah, we're on the cable now. Off we go. Out into the wide. It's better than going on that train over there, look. Oh, get seasick. Quick way of getting into London though, if you're on Sunborn Yacht, which is just down there. There's the O2. What's the building going off? Wonder what that is. You see airport? Oh, there's runway. Don't tell us stop at building. Where's runway? Around there somewhere. Where's what?
How long has this actually been here?
Oh, I don't know. Could be years, 3 years. What you want now, look, is a plane to take off. So there's that's Canary Wharf. Can you see the building just sticking out the top behind HSB with a little pyramid on? That's the original Canary Wharf Tower. That was just about the only building that were down here at one time. Then in distance you can see some of them other gherkin things and what have you.
That's nice.
Over there, look, is the Olympic Stadium thing. Corkscrew, or whatever you want to call it. It's got Uber boats. Let's see. Them posts get a bit close, don't they? So that's it, we're at the top and going back down. Oh no, we've got to go up to that one now. Wave.
Is that Heathrow?
No, it's the City, it's called City Airport.
London City.
Yeah, London City Airport. I didn't think they had planes that big landing on it. Oh, it's very steep down into Cable Car station, look at that. I can safely say that it is 22 years since I've been here.
Why?
because we came down when it was the Millennium Dome when it first opened to see the Millennium Exhibition
Did you?
with the school, and it was 20, well it was 2000.
I've never seen that.
2022.
I've seen it on telly.